Life moves pretty fast, but Chesterfield County Public Schools makes it easy to keep up. Here's how to stay in the know with Central Virginia's largest school system. The first thing to do is follow 1CCPS on social media. We're on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, X, and LinkedIn. Most of our schools have social media feeds too. Next, check out the school system's award-winning website at 1ccps.org. It's loaded with helpful info, including links to the websites of each of our 65+ schools. And guess what? You can hold every bit of that info in your hand by downloading the Chesterfield Schools app to your phone. Within the app, follow Chesterfield County Public Schools and each school you are connected to. Finally, read the digital updates that are emailed weekly to school employees on Monday, community members on Wednesday, and families on Fridays. Those newsletters bring important news and opportunities directly to your inbox. Most schools also send out newsletters to keep families informed and involved. And that's how you stay connected with Chesterfield County Public Schools, which is always on the go, but never too busy to connect.